Hello everyone, we are back again. This time introducing one of our recently completed project. It's a 1000 square feet apartment. Now what you're seeing here is a partition, and the reason behind this is that if you look at the screen, right, to the left you see the partition, then to the right you will see the main door. The function for this partition is that if the owner chooses to have some ventilation, they can still open up the main door without sacrificing their privacy. Due to the original height of the ceiling slab, which we designed without a ceiling, so this is how we place all the lights around the house. As you can see, the pendant, the fan, and we also introduced some magnetic track lights for flexibility. This is the shoe cabinet that we are quite proud of. So the special feature is that the rounded edge, whereby it is a drawer itself. It's a drawer with shelves. You can see from the side it's all rounded, and you see from the other side will be some shelves for storage. As for the kitchen, also due to the tiny space, we need to design a very compact kitchen, and also not to overwhelm the whole space and not to design in a very bulky way. So we've decided to have 1/3 of the countertop hanging cantilevered on the island itself to reduce the bulkiness of the island. And also we've designed a very compact space for the fridge and some wash areas. As this is a practically dry kitchen, so the size is just nice. Not too big, not too small. For this next area is a combination of wet kitchen and a laundry area. So you can see we've installed this hanging coat hanger in a way that you can roll it down, bring it down and hang your clothes. It's very space efficient. And not only that, what we did here is that we open up a bigger hole here for the stove to change it into a new stove, and also add some backsplash, which normally a wet kitchen should have. From the wet kitchen, we'll bring you to the living. As you can see, we are now walking past through the partition that we mentioned earlier. We have the shoe cabinets on the bottom. And because of the space constraint, right, what we did is that for the dining area, we've created a bench and a 5-feet table. So at the bench, you can sit either 2-person or 3-person, making it into a 5-pax sitting area or a 4-pax. And it looks very homey and very flexible. From the dining area, we'll bring you to the living. So what you can see here is a very nice touch and IKEA side table with some custom-made sofas. Right. So from the sofa, right, you can see we custom-made a TV cabinet, where you can see on the top there's a opening for all your cables and whatnots to prevent for cable management. If you notice, there's a consistent design feature in this whole house, which is the rounded corners and edges. As you can see at the island, there's a rounded corner for the top, and there's the rounded corner for the shoe cabinet. Even the dining table's corners are all rounded. And even the bench. Not only that, all the side tables and the TV cabinets all has a consistent rounded edge design. From the living room, we'll bring you into the master bedroom. We'll turn your attention to this cabinet, which we've custom designed some custom handles which has the round on top. And as you can see, on the corner of the cabinet, we rounded the edges to avoid any future accidents or injuries. From this cabinet, come to the desk part, where I just have a very simple floating desk with some steel structure supporting on the sides. Reason doing this is due to the space constraint. We try to make something light and durable. And with some bed head lightings for ambience. Just to share with you this special feature that we did. If you notice, the finishing on the desk itself is a type of lamination with some patterns in it. We're just trying to have some fun and also to showcase that it's not necessary for you to just use wood or stone or marble, but you can play around with this kind of laminates. For this cabinet, we've introduced a rounded edge to avoid any accidents happening. And also, if you notice, the whole house, we try to use some blue accent colors to make the whole design pop, as you can see from the kitchen itself and also here. This is the guest room, which is kinda small and tiny. So the special feature that we did here is particularly the handle of the wardrobe, which we try to have mix how do I say this, do some fun things, designing a squarish handle. And this time around we don't do any round edges because it's not hazardous here at this angle. And we've designed the desk with drawers floating at the bed head to give it some airiness. And if you notice, this chair, right, is one of the client's collection where they travel around the world a lot, and these are some of the furnitures that they managed to bring back here.